Tired of making rice water for one personal use? Think smarter. Freeze it. If you want to know how to make fermented rice water ice cubes for faster and thicker hair growth, then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like. Watch this video to get my rice water recipe. Materials needed for fermented rice water ice cubes. Ice cube tray. Rice water, distilled water, these oils are optional. Pour your rice water halfway in each slot. Now add your distilled water to the full level. If you wanted to add any oils, now is the time. This step is completely optional. Time to freeze your cubes. Your cubes should look like this. To unthaw for application, use the double boil method. Your rice water is ready for application. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.